Amber. We all know that you just had a birthday. What's one thing that you haven't done that you'd like to do before your next birthday?
God, I think that I haven't done a lot of stuff. Are you saying more of like a recreational sort of thing?
Yeah, just like something you haven't done or seen or would like to accomplish.
Yeah, zip line. Imagine me being that little pig. Like pure adrenaline. Yeah. I don't know. It may be something really out of this world. I'd like to go somewhere and like look for UFOs or something. I don't know. Maybe flying to outer space. Do something like that. Maybe by that time Richard Branson will be flying. I'll go up there. So, something like that.